Here we've got coconuts that are very young, and I know they're filled with water because they're super heavy. Now when the coconuts are really young like this, you don't need a machete. You can just use a boring tool.
Mommy, I'll use the popper.
Sure, you can use it next. And then you just go straight down the middle. So right here is where those 3 eyelets are. So you're just gonna go straight down, give it a twist, and pop.
Ooh, Mommy, that's good.
Pop it out like a wine cork.
I like to try. I like to show it. Oh. Stop.
No, don't do that. That's gross.
Ew, it's on my neck.
Not towards your body, away from your body.
Like this.
Yeah, you want to go underneath it.
I didn't know I did that.
It's exactly 1 pint. There you go.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Nice.
Oh, thanks.
Good job.
Good work. Can I try? Which one?
Here, did you want some?
I want to try popping it. Whoa, Harry. I'll throw the corkies at you. Oh no, wait, aren't these going to do well in your thing? Yes. Oh, wait. It's going to be Samson's. Okay. I'll collect a bunch of this. This might definitely be good in yours. I just need to wash off the Samson's. Wash the Samson's. Wash off these buddies. In the water of the dolphins. That one. Look, I got a bunch of this. Look, I got a bunch of this.
For young coconuts that have a lot of water and very little or no meat inside, you can chip off a little spoon from the coconut and then just scrape out that coconut jello, coconut jelly.
Oh, it smells so disgusting.
That's a good one.